changing from our drive to lift functions, we simply get our command switch from drive to lift, and you'll notice on the screen now all our arrows have changed to what motion is available in the booms. So at the moment, with the engine running, we would be ready for all functions because our track chassis is wide at the moment. If our track chassis was narrow, we would simply lose one of our slew options because we obviously couldn't slew to the retracted track. All of our controls, now that we're on the blue lift, on our blue lift switch, so all of our controls around our joysticks are marked in the blue, and they're going to give us our idea of what we can do. So as an example, we have boom down in blue, we have turret slew to the right, turret slew to the left, boom up in the middle. Over on our other side, we have basket rotate to the left, basket rotate to the right. We have telescopic retract and telescopic out at the top. So they're our main functions. On our joystick, the only function that is not on our joystick is down to the right, which is our jib up and down. So our jib up and down will always be open. That's not interlocked by our stability diagrams. So now we're ready to lift. We can see in our little stability diagram here, I've manually set this machine out of level, so we can see our red dots are indicating that our turret is slightly leaned out of 1 degree. When I start this machine up, we're going to use a lift function. We're then going to notice the machine's going to automatically self-level and we'll begin to lift. Lift, boom up. After the machine's completed its automatic level, we're going to be lifting. As we're lifting, we're going to see our working height diagram is going to slowly start increasing. This is telling us our maximum working height and our maximum outreach. So as we get higher and higher, so we can see now that I've jibbed out, our maximum outreach has increased. We're not fully maxed out yet, but as we continue to change our position with the machine, and depending on what ground it's on, this is always going to keep modifying its two values, working height and max outreach, as to what we're allowed to do with the machine at that particular time.